I get a lot of flat tires because I drive over a lot of screws at work, and so I got a leak in my tire, and this time I thought I'd fix it myself with this repair kit. I've never done it before, so I'm gonna give it a shot. So at the moment I can't hear where it's leaking from, so I'm gonna dump some water on the tire to see if I can start to hear where the leak is. I'm going to give that a listen to now, real close. All I hear is dripping water everywhere now. I hear it. Listen. You hear that? Oh, I see bubble. That's it. It says to remove the foreign object. I don't know, it might be in there. Or it's already gone. Whatever it is, I'm probably going to forget where that is. See, you should have something to mark it with. Okay, so it says to take the raspy one and shove it in there and rasp it all up. I opted for the ones with the bigger handles because I figured it'd be easier for working with, because I know this, I think it's tough to shove these things through the little hole there. So, all right, I'm gonna find it again and rasp it up. There it is. Oh, there's the object still in there, I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Foreign object still inside. Now how are we going to get that out? It's very difficult to reach it. Ha! I'm going to get comfortable here. This is going to be a bit of a challenge. It won't be a challenge, it's going to come right out. Watch out, it's going to come flying at you. Whew! What is that? That is part of an electrical wire staple. And holy cow, is that leaking now, eh? Better hope this works or you're going to be SOL, man. Get that in there. Push it in and out to rasp it. Oh. Wow, that hard. I guess the learning curve of learning to use the camera again is that knowing about how the camera works. So I thought the camera was filming everything and it wasn't, so you missed the whole show. So I guess today's lesson is not so much in learning the tire repair. It was just as much for me and a learning experience on how things always tend to go wrong. So what I guess you missed is that I took the rasp, I rasped the hole like crazy, and it was super hard to push in. So I rasped it like crazy, and I thought I had it done really good, really big enough. So you take one of the strips here. It was really hard to get out of the package. You stick it through the needle. You shove it in, which was super hard to do. I should have probably reamed the hole out larger, but the air was just streaming out like crazy, which doesn't matter, but you know, it makes you want to go a little quicker with your procedure. So I just rammed this in using all my might. was pushing and grunting and groaning, and you missed the whole thing, which is probably good. So you push this all the way in, you yank it out, the plug stays there. So what I'm supposed to do now is trim this off. Okay, I'm going to cut this off here. Fairly close, I'm guessing I should do. Yeah, I left a little nub blade sticking out. I hope that's alright to do. It doesn't say really so much about how much to cut off excess. Material flush with the tread of the tire. Well, that's not what I did. I guess you don't want the extra, it's really sticky. So I guess if it sits on a warm street or something, it might stick to the tar and get pulled out. I don't know. Is that flush? Pretty flush. Can you get it more? I don't know. I don't want to cut the tire. Maybe at this point I'll try that lighter trick and light it on fire. Flatten that out after you're done. I'm gonna let it do that. Ow! Lighter's hot after doing that. So, that's how it looks. Where is it? Up in my finger. Oh, there. That's how it looks now. That's it. Sort of kind of solidified. May have bonded to the rubber a little by melting it, perhaps. Maybe that's just a hallucination. Okay, so because I don't know what I'm doing and this is my first time trying this out, I'm going to take these with me in case this plug blows out, and I got a little air compressor that plugs into the cigarette lighter, so that on the road, if it blows out, I'm going to be able to fix it. So I'm going to fill this tire back up with air, and we're done. That was pretty cool.